Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I'm here with the new script of Hyip Rio investment website script. So I've created this website using Hyip investment script Rio script. So this is a VIP script. You can see this, the main feature of this website is this is with user ranking feature, and you can see the amazing homepage of this website. And so let's explore the features of this website. But before exploring features, let me tell you that for PHP script you can contact me on WhatsApp on the number given on the screen, and I will provide you the script on low price. Don't worry about the price of script, come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price. So here is the landing page of this website. You can see the amazing, here are the plans of you made for you, and you can invest in these plans. Here are plan profit calculation. You can calculate your profit from this section, and here is how it works. First of all, register, verify email, verify KYC, deposit money, invest in plan, transfer money, refer a friend, withdraw and enjoy. So here is you can explore the live investment and withdrawals in this section. As website is newly created, so it is showing nothing. So here you can, why you choose us section are these are all the features of this website. So this is the statistics of the page, website, total users, total deposit, total investment, total withdrawals. Here are some explore your questions section, and here is join us section. You can join this website by registering on it. So these are the blog section. You can also add blogs, and this is the footer section of this website. So basically you can change the complete website in a way you want through admin panel, as this website is with admin panel. So there are also separate pages of these sections, so these are also available separately, so you can explore them. So let's log into our website. So I have already logged in, but you have to register on it and then you can log in. So I have already logged into user panel. So this is the user panel of this website. So you can see the amazing user panel. Here you can see your main wallet balance, is profit wallet. You can deposit, invest. This is your referral link. Here are all transaction, total deposit, and all the details of users in this section. So here you can see your sign up bonus, which is $5. So here are all schemas, all logs, all transaction, add money log, wallet exchange, send money, and everything you can do from here. So this is how its user panel works. So let's explore the features of admin panel of this website. So I'll just log into my admin panel, and let's see how it works. So I'll go to my admin, and this is the admin login page, and I've just logged in as my admin account, and I will enter my password here. So this is my admin login page. So you can see the amazing admin dashboard of this website. You can see every detail about your website in this section, dashboard. So here you can see the total user, latest investment. Here are the customer section. You can control your all customer from this section. Here you can manage KYC settings. Here you can manage roles, you can manage staff, you can manage all the plans and list plans from this section, such as like this. So here you can edit these plans, you can add new plans from here, or you can deactivate these plans. Here is you can view transaction, manage them, investments, user profit. You can manage everything. Here are you can manage deposits. You can see automatic payment gateways, manual payment gateways, and other deposit history. Same as case with the withdraw. Here you can manage all the referral settings. You can manage user rankings in this section, and you can see the user ranking. You can edit them and add new rankings, and you can edit them. So here's the landing page settings. You can manage any section that is on your landing page. And here you can manage page settings. You can manage other page settings such as registration, login, everything you can change from this section. So here's site navigation, footer content. You can change footer content. Here is settings of site. When you go to site setting, basically you can change the name of site. So let me go to my site setting, and here you can change the logo of site. You can control your basic settings of email verifications and user deposits and other settings, and you can also change site title, email, and other things from this section. So these are all the site settings, and here are email settings. You can manage email related activities, plugin settings, language settings, email templates, all subscriber and other clear cache settings. So this is a quick and general overview of this site, and if you need this script, contact me on WhatsApp and I will provide you the script. Thanks for watching this video.